Suppose your mother has told you to go and buy fruits from the market, but those fruits must be less than 1 kg. So what will happen? You will tell the fruit vendor to weigh fruits less than 1 kg. Well, you can see that there are many fruits less than 1 kg. Some fruits are there which are more than 1 kg also. So you can see, you can select from the fruits that are less than 1 kg. So fruits less than 1 kg, or say x less than 1. This represents a linear inequation. So as fruits less than 1 kg can have many solutions, many fruits. Similarly, x less than 1 can have many solutions depending upon what we desire. You will see now what solutions we can have. Now let us replace x with natural numbers. Suppose x is only natural numbers. So can you tell me what are the natural numbers that are less than 1? First of all, tell me, natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So is there any number which is a natural number and less than 1? Well, no. So if x is a natural number, then we have no solution for this linear inequation. So no number, right? What about whole numbers? Let me replace x with whole numbers. So tell me which are the whole numbers which are less than 1 so that I can replace that number in place of x. Well, whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So you can see that 0 is the only number that is a whole number and less than 1, right? So we get a solution when x is a whole number, 0. Now, what if x is replaced with integers? Can you tell me which are those integers which are less than 1? Well, now we have many solutions. What are the integers less than 1? 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on in the negative direction. So I can say like this, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. What about real numbers? What if x is a real number? Well, you know, you can write many numbers which are real numbers and less than 1. It is not possible to list all of them. Let me list at least some. Say 0.999999 is a real number that is less than 1. Now this can continue. Let me write these in forms of sets. Well, no number can be written as an empty set. Only number 0 can be represented as a singleton set. The integers, that is the solution for this question, can be represented in roster form like this. But it is not possible to write real numbers in roster form. That is why we have written it in set builder form. You can see in set builder form, how do we write? X such that x is less than 1. This is our question. And x belongs to real number. You can see that here we have denoted real number by the letter, capital letter R. So is there terms for these also? Letters for these also? Yes. Natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N. Whole numbers are denoted by the capital letter W. Integers are denoted by the capital letter I or Z. And real numbers, as I have already told you, capital letter R. Well, if you want, you can also denote these in set builder form also. All these are sets. It's just that these are written in roster form, a different way of representation of sets, and this is written in set builder form. Now, these have special names. Here, these will be known as replacement sets. Why replacement set? Just now you saw I was replacing x with these numbers. And these will be known as solution set for this inequation. Right? Now, what are replacement sets and solution sets? Well, replacement sets are the set from which the values of the variable are chosen. Well, for this inequation, we were doing x is less than 1. What happened? We were replacing x by natural numbers, whole numbers, integers or real numbers. Right? That is why they are known as replacement set. So, in every question that you solve for linear inequation, you will be given a replacement set like this. Either x can belong to natural number. So in this question, the replacement set would be natural numbers. If instead of natural numbers, you were given, say, integers. So in this question, the replacement set would be integers. Similarly, the solution set is the other thing. A number which, when substituted for the variable, makes the inequality true. After selecting numbers from the replacement sets, if we put these numbers in this inequation, this will hold true for us. So you can see 0 holds true in this inequality. When x is a natural number, then this holds true. When x is a whole number, this holds true. When x is an integer, this holds true for this inequality. And when x is a real number, you can name any numbers that are less than 1. So we have written this in set builder form, where x can be less than 1 and x belongs to real numbers. So let's recall. Replacement sets are the sets from which the values of the variable are chosen. So generally we have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and real numbers. And what are solution sets? A number which, when substituted for the variable, makes the inequality true. So here the variable was x and we were substituting numbers for x so that the inequality was becoming true. Now we learn how to represent these inequations on number lines. So you know how to draw a number line? Here we have drawn a number line like this, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Here I have been given that x is less than 1 and x belongs to natural number. You can see I had already told you that if x belongs to natural number, then natural number will act as our replacement set. So we have to choose variables from this set only. So we have to choose natural numbers for our solution of this linear inequation. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So in our number line, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like this. Now tell me, what are the solutions for this? Well, we have already discussed if x belongs to natural numbers and x is less than 1, we have no solutions. Then this is what? An empty bracket. Solution set is an empty set here. So what will be plot on this number line? We will plot nothing. What if this question was x is less than 3? Now what would be the solution? What would be the solution set for this inequation? The new one which I have written? Well, now we have a solution. Well, we could have 1, 2, right? These are the two natural numbers which are less than 3. They are natural numbers as well as less than 3. So we would have a solution for this linear inequation. So we can plot this. Let us plot. We will make a filled circle on 1. You can see a thick dot, and on 2 like this. So this represents that 1 and 2 are the solutions for our linear inequation x is less than 3, where x belongs to natural numbers. Here we have x is less than 1 and x belongs to w. What is w? Whole numbers. So you can see here whole numbers is acting as our replacement set. So we will think only about the whole numbers while we are solving this linear inequation. So what we have done, we have made the number line in such a way that it starts from 0. That is the least whole number we have. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now tell me the solution. We have already discussed if x is less than 1 and x belongs to whole numbers, then the solution will be 0. Right? Now do not say that 0 means an empty set, but a set which has the term or has the number 0 in it. So how will we plot it? We will plot like this. A filled circle on the number 0. So this shows that the 0 is the solution for x is less than 1 and x belongs to whole numbers. Next, we have x is less than 1 and x belongs to z, that is integers. You already know the solution. It is what? x is less than 1, so 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on in the negative direction. So here we have made the number line in such a way that it has positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers as well. So we can at least plot some here. Write the solution set first. 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Right? So seeing the solution set, now you can plot this on the number line. So 0, make a thick dot or a full circle, filled circle on 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. And you have to go on filling all the circles which you have to fill up, or you have to make circles. Take a -4, -5, -6, -7. Here I have made my number line till -7 only. That means this is the end of my solution. No, you can see I have made ellipsis here. That means it will go on till infinity in the negative direction. So how do I plot that on the number line? Well, what you will do after this, you cannot make all the numbers on the number line. That is not possible. So just fill this up like this. So this will indicate the special color, this blue one. This indicates a special color. They'll think a color say. So this highlighted, नहीं क्या बोले इसको? ये ऐसे हुआ. This highlighted color part, you can see this indicates that this solution will go on till infinity. Here we have one more. X is less than 1 and x belongs to real numbers. Well, it was easy for us to plot whole numbers, natural numbers and integers as we know all those numbers. -1, -2, 0, 1. So we could actually plot these on these number lines. But how will we plot real numbers? Real numbers are each and every number between 0, -1, 0 and 1, 1 and 2. How will you plot each and every number like that? Well, I'll tell you. First, let us find out the solution. Now, how will you write the solution set for this? You know there are a lot of numbers. So, you can write that in set builder form. X such that x is less than 1 and x belongs to real numbers. Right? So you do not need to write the solution set for this. You can directly plot that on a number line. Now how will you do that? I'll tell you. First of all, you can see x is less than 1. So we cannot include 1, but 0.999999 is a real number that is less than 1. So how will you plot that? Well, make a circle on 1. Every time I told you make a filled circle, but this time I'll tell you just make an empty circle, just an outline of a circle on the number 1. Right? Now what you will do is fill this part like this. What do you see? I have made an empty circle on 1. That means 1 is not included, but after that I have colored the whole part till infinity. You can see that? Coloring this whole thing means infinity till infinity. So all the real numbers are included here that are less than 1. So all the real numbers that are less than 1 are included in this highlighted part. So this is how you plot real numbers on a number line. Well, we know that there are more symbols like at least and at most which also represent inequality. How will we plot them on a number line? Let's see. Here, x is less than equal to 1. Now, if we break it up, it means x is less than 1 or x is equal to 1, right? And we have been given that x belongs to w, that is whole numbers. So in this case, this is our replacement set and we need to find the solution set. So tell me, what is the solution set here? Which are the whole numbers which are less than 1 or equal to 1? Well, let's start from 0. 0 is the number which is a whole number and less than 1. 1. 1 is a whole number. It is not less than 1, but it is equal to 1. So we can take that also. What about 2? 2 is a whole number, but it is not less than 1. It is not equal to 1. So we cannot take that. So our solution set is 0 and 1 for this linear inequation. Now you know how to plot this very well. Plot it. So this was simple. Again here we have x is greater than equal to 1. Now what does that mean? X is greater than 1 or x is equal to 1. And the replacement set is natural numbers. See, x belongs to n, that is natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers that are greater than 1 or equal to 1? Let us write the solution set first. Well, natural numbers start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Right? So I can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on, they are actually what? Greater than 1, and 1, the number 1 here is equal to 1. So you can clearly see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, these are the numbers that are greater than or equal to 1. So our solution set is correct. So let us plot this. You know how to plot such numbers on a number line? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, will I stop till 5? No. You can see ellipsis here. That means it will go on 6, 7 and so on. Like this. Now we have x is less than equal to 1 and x belongs to z, that is integers. So the replacement set here is integers. So tell me, what is the solution set for this inequation? Well, x is either less than 1 or equal to 1. So what are the solutions?